Hello everyone, I am Vaishali Kalyani, AutoCAD faculty of CEC Head Office. Today I will tell you about AutoCAD. What is AutoCAD, how to use AutoCAD, where AutoCAD is used and its advantages. First of all, what is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a commercial computer-aided designing and drafting software application developed and marketed by Autodesk company. It can be defined as the use of computer system to assist the creation, modification, optimization of a design. In AutoCAD, we can create both 2D and 3D designs using construction and manufacturing. It was developed by John Walker in the year 1982 on December 23. This is the first version of AutoCAD. The full form of AutoCAD is Automatic Computer Aided Design. This software is used for designing and drafting. It allows a user to conceptualize ideas, product designs and drawing to the required level to technical accuracy, perform rapid design calculation and simulation in the field of manufacturing industries. Now the reasons for implementing AutoCAD software. To improve the quality of design, to increase the productivity of the design, to create database for manufacturing, to improve the communication through documentation. Before implementing this software, all designers and engineers use drawing sheet to design or draw a product. It took so much time for a designer, to design a product. If the manufactured product don't satisfy the customer need or manufacturing, then they need to change the design of the product, which was time consuming process. Then the designer needs to change the design by erasing. Sometimes he need to use a new drawing sheet for designing it. In order to reduce the above problems, this software is the one of the solution for it. In this software, we can save designs of product modifications. We can edit the design which is saved previously. That reduces the time to design more products. It also reduces the human effort. It has the ability to produce very accurate designs. Uses of AutoCAD. AutoCAD is widely preferred in the industries of mechanical, telecom and electrical engineering, architecture and civil engineering fields. AutoCAD is used in automobile engineering sector to design the engines and all kind of body parts. AutoCAD is used in aerospace to make designs of aeroplanes, missiles and satellites, etc. We can also make our company logos in AutoCAD. Nowadays, AutoCAD becomes the most popular CAD software with the highest job marketing demand. Now I am going to show you the interface of AutoCAD and some tools to design any product.
I will use AutoCAD 2016 version for this purpose. To start AutoCAD, we should click on Start menu, then Autodesk, then double click on AutoCAD 2016, or we can select it from desktop by double clicking the AutoCAD 2016 icon, which is already installed in my PC. So when opening AutoCAD, you will be able to direct it to the Start tab showing several sections. From here, we can start a new drawing and open files. We can open a new file from here, or we can browse directly from this panel. And we have application menu in the top of the window. Here is the search bar to search any command. New for open a new document, open to open an existing file, or we can recover any missing file from here. In order to see how to use AutoCAD, let's get started with a new project by clicking open and click on open. AutoCAD has opened, showing its full interface. We can see here drawing 1 is our current document, and .dwg is the extension of AutoCAD. And these are the ribbons, or you can say toolbar or command bar. And this is the draw menu, modify menu, annotation and layers menu, etc. And this big black screen area is actually the drawing area, which is called workspace. What are drawings will be creating that will be created in this black screen area. And this is the command line to type any command. And these are the different switches here. Once we open AutoCAD, we have 3 sheets. One is model and layout 1 and layout 2. We have always used model for drafting and designing. And this is the XY axis. And this cross is the mouse indicator. At the top of the window, we have application menu. Click to open. Here, the search bar, new to open a new document, open to existing file, save or save as. Here we can save any drawing, or we can export, publish, print, etc. From here, we can close the document, which is our current document. And we have undo and redo command. Undo command is here too. If we make any mistakes, if we want to cancel complete last command, then here click on undo button and simply press Ctrl Z. Or we can redo. We have redo command. If we want to bring it back, then click on redo button or redo command, or simply Ctrl Y. If we want to save this current drawing, we have to click here, save as, and select the location or folder where you want to save it. Suppose desktop. I want to save this on desktop. And give it a name. Suppose ABC CAD and click on save button.
And this is all about today's video. For further educational video, like our Facebook page and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.